For the following exercises, use the graph of f of x equals 2 to the x, shown in figure 31, to sketch a graph of each transformation of f of x. Okay, so these pictures are figure 31. So we just have to use the same figure to find out the transformations of these three. Okay, so first off, we've done a couple of problems understanding vertical and horizontal shifts. So if you guys need a little bit more help, you could always go back to those questions. They're on this playlist. The playlist is called Transformation of Graphs. All right, that's on our homepage. You can find it from there. So with the first one, g of x equals 2 to the x plus 1, I have to figure out if it's a vertical shift or a horizontal shift. The tips and tricks method over down here, just notice where the numbers that you're adding here. And I'm going to just put the original up here. The original was 2 to the x, right? And this was f of x. So what basically did you add? You added a plus 1, right? Now, does this have anything to do with the actual x function? Or was this after the x value? It was after the x value, right? You see how there's an x up here, but then now there's a big one, right? A big plus 1. So you're doing a vertical shift, all right? So here, when it's a plus, you're always going to be shifting up by that number. So in this case, this is telling you that you're shifting 1 unit up. Okay, so we basically just have to do the same exact graph, but we're just shifting it up 1. So instead of starting here, I'm literally going to take all of these values and you just respectively push them up 1. So maybe I'll start over here for this one. This one looks like I'll start off 1 over here, and then maybe we'll go up here. But it's basically the same graph, just shifted up 1 unit, and that's it. This would be 2 to the x plus 1. Not bad. Let's try the next one. Okay, so they give us h of x is 2 to the x minus 3. I'm just going to put up here that the original function was 2 to the x, just 2 to the x. So you can see what they added. They added the minus 3. Is that a horizontal shift or is that a vertical shift? Was this minus 3 in the actual function or is it outside of the function? It's not in the function, right? Because it's not with the x value. It's after the x, right? So it's a vertical shift. And now it's a negative value. Negatives is shifting down. So I'm going down by that number. So we're shifting down 3 units. So I take all these numbers and I just shift them down 3 spots. So let's see, the easy ones will be, this one looks close to here, so 1, 2, 3. I'll have to start all the way down here. This one was up here, so 1, 2, 3. I will have to be over here, and then let's see, maybe 1, 1, 2, 3, something like this. And now just connect them. There you go. But do you get the idea that you just have to shift down 3 times? There you go. So this one is 2 to the x minus 3. Okie dokie. Last one. W of x equals 2 to the x minus 1. The original function was f of x equals 2 to the x. Okay, now what is different? This minus 1. Is this a horizontal shift or is this a vertical shift? Is this minus 1 with the parentheses or with the function, or is it after the function? This one is a tricky one because it's with the function. Even though you don't see a parenthesis here, the whole change was up here. So there is a secret parenthesis. It actually affected the x value. The other option would have been -1 by itself, just like we've been seeing. But this one, it's up here, so there technically is a parentheses here. So now it's a negative value, right? It's a -1. So we are shifting to the right. How many units? Just one, because it was just one. So shift to the right 1 unit. So now I just have to move everything over 1. Over 1. And that's all that is. So maybe, let's see, this over here has to move over to the right 1. This will move over to the right 1. This will move over to the right 1. You see how I'm manipulating all of these to the right. So let's see, something like this. So we'll have this type of graph. But as you can see, the overall is shifted to the right. The difference in there is shifted to the right. And this is 2 to the x minus 1, all in the exponent. Okie dokie. Guys, what do you think? This one was fun. Let me know in the comments what you thought. And hit the like button if this helped you. And tell your friends if they need math help as well. We're here to help everyone and try to get to all the ends of the earth. All right? So thank you so much. Thank you for your support. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.